Butang na dito.
Alright, we already have 32 participants who are not yet here. Someone in 3263. Someone in Jam. Jam? Jam sila. Jamela. Last name, Rani. Alright, we have a lead. It's Mantrulato.
Please,
Ay, grabe.
Alright, this one is Galileo. Remember again?
Please, wala na ina-record mo. Bisa na ako na-bislit. Wala na. Bisa na bislit. Now, Lord, knock-knock siya.
Alright, everybody got it right. Baby diapers. it is a bit impossible kaya naman siya gusto ng internet. Right? This is our job.
May
If you're going to put videos there, for example, your topic will be TTL. So, if you're going to put videos there, then images, hindi siya po function, hindi siya yung internet to immediately. writing or connecting with somebody or someone. So now in here, we are not only referring to letters itself. We're also allowing ourselves to integrate in academic researches. Like for example, the ResearchGate. ResearchGate is also one example of publishing website where you can put your researches there. Right? Do you have your account in ResearchGate? Wala ka? Others have their own already. So, you may opt or you use ResearchGate most probably if you're going to access some researches from different authors, right? If the study is not downloadable or is not free for everybody to read, you may send requests or email to the authors, and right after that, if you're going to get it, you're just going to open your study for you or good for you to read it in just a day or maybe in 3 to 3 days. Or if the author is a good Samaritan or good enough, they will give it for you for free. And well, that is also one of the greatest advantages for them because they will be included in the reference, right? And so now, when it comes to these things, there are indeed practicalities when it comes to using ICT as our main source of enhancing our language skills. So in here, we're going to make use of pen pal activities. When we talk about pen pal, have you heard this one before? Yes. So if you have tried this one, like for example, writing letters, and then you are going to mail it to certain somebody, this one is very relevant during the times of war, right? Or if you really wanted to have your Americana or AFAM lovers to connect every day, since before wala pa man na uso ang internet, di ba? Wala pa na uso sa una ang Ayoy, no? But actually, that is also very good. Now, in academic setting class, it is very similar with Edmodo. Are you familiar with Edmodo? It is somewhat the same on Facebook. Where however, it has been used or utilized for the use of students and parents. Because that is the main value or the main importance of having technology in our classroom setup. For us to assess how far the engagement and how far the improvement or development of the child in the classroom, and that alone will also give certain connectivity to the parents and for transparency rather for the parents on the status of their children. Now when it comes to Edmodo class, if you wanted to explore Edmodo, you may use it in your classes because it is a bit similar to Classroom or Teams. However, in Google Classroom, you are just going to make use of your learning activities without feedback. However, in Edmodo, you are given freedom to ask certain opinions to the parents for feedback and so on and so forth. Now, you can also cite there the assignment, post rather the assignment, and then they can also put their assignment or submit their assignment, and even the parents can see the layouts of the student's assignment. Now, when it comes to technical class, we're not only writing it or doing it just to write something, or just for application, or just for the sort of requirement. Now in here, we're going to practice our skills and cultural awareness. Because then again, what we're trying to do here is we're going to improve and develop or even strengthen the community linkages that we have through the use of transparency. Transparency is very essential in our academic scheme or academic writing simply because it enables us to know how far we are already in our writing. Okay? And so now, we have here the Biloga. When we talk about Biloga class, it is indeed a global classroom similar with Edmodo. Do you want? Similar with Edmodo because again, in Biloga, you are going to connect different schools around the globe. How? You're just going to search their certain class No? And then aside from that, we also have the EPALS. It is where the field of learning real-world experiences are. For example, if you are an English teacher and you wanted to explore the culture of Africa, so in there, you may ask certain questions or you may opt to search a lot more about Africa. And in that area, during that time, they are also going to collaborate with you. So that is where we can see the real world experiences. According to the literature or to the text they have provided or even the discourse we have created. Okay? And so we also have the empathico, wherein you are going to empathize. No? You're going to feed your curiosity. So it is just really a certain website where you're going to ask yourself questions. If you we have ChatGPT now, however, if you have ChatGPT now, we also have empathico in academia. We're going to ask, like, for example, I am curious, how do you think or how whales grew up? So you're going to search there, and then they're going to supplement videos, they're going to supplement, like, for example, certain pictures that really feed your curiosity. And you can also read a lot of stories there that really amplify your empathy towards other people. Now these are the faces, or this one is the face or the feature of Biloga. So this is the real reason when we chat tulog alas 2 sa kadlaw. Alas 3 biday. Dapat ako actually bigan pa alas 2 hangtod alas 3. Yes, no? For the love of teaching. So now, in your class, if you wanted to go to Biloga, I have noticed that if you're going to put your certain subject, no? Like for example, English, since we are English teachers, you are also going to put here your age, or even the age of your students. Because Biloga class will automatically put down certain tools or learning materials that is also equivalent to the level of maturity or level of academic skills you have. And so, aside from that, there are certain episodes. You may also choose 5 subjects that you wanted to explore, and even you're given certain time on what or how you're going, or time for you to study. So, here you just going to search. You have also the classroom, similar with the Google Classroom. You can enter into classroom and then you allow your students to join. Okay? Like for example, you wanted your students to submit their papers or essays. So you're just going to put or to create a classroom there and then allow them to join. Then all of you will collaborate which part of the essay is not that strong enough or not good enough or will have a very good impact. Okay? So that is the use of Biloga. Again, in the digital world, we use this craft or we innovate to experiment or even explore on how we're going to emphasize and of course strengthen our writing ability. Okay? And then we also have this one, the EPAL. So this is the face of EPAL's class. So we have also the students range, wherein if you wanted, or like assuming, no, you are not going to teach elementary students, because we are allowed to teach elementary students. Or you may opt to choose junior high school. So what's my age marriage Anania? Approximately 13 to 17 or even 18 if you are already in senior high school. Right? So this one I opt to have here grades 19. Okay. I am also planning to teach kindergarten. Kaya sa akin, ganahan yung bata o kaya sa mukha yung bata. Different place ang mood. Right? So, now, in here, I have tried class, so there are also different languages spoken. This is how friendly it is. No, it does not only cater with English. So, you are allowed also to explore the languages of others. And then, you also have the average class size, the subjects, and even the interest you want. No? If you wanted to have certain literature only, mythology, or even you wanted to explore other subjects, that is also dependent on you. Now, these are examples of certain materials or classroom they have. You just need to click connect, and then if they're going to approve your report, request, then that is already the time that you are allowed to enter their classroom. Alright? And then aside from that, we also have Patico. Now, from the word itself, Patico, you're going to empathize. So you're going to put there your empathy skills. Somebody mo what topics you want to do or to explore, then you have also to put the ages there. And aside from that, there are also certain characters that allows you to really connect with others. No? So in here, if you wanted to explore, do it. And also log in, and then you just have to explore. No? Now, what I am really trying to for us to utilize is really the Edmodo, because Edmodo is very popular before, but because of Google's constantly changing era or updates, medyo na wala na din si Edmodo kay mas gusto pa si Facebook sa ato no? At ay your page, really wala din sa Edmodo. And ang nakalimutan pa is you may opt to private the activities of their students. Pero it's your Facebook, actually. Makaya mo ka-joke sa mga parents, sa mga bata, ang ato na gina-utilize here is the group chat. Right? And so, we also have peer-to-peer tutoring. In here, we are practicing to mentor through equal communication. So, what is its application? It enhances language skills while mentoring others. So, there are also some website class that allows you to mentor yourself or to even learn with other people. No? That, like for example, you find a certain friend, no, in Cupid or something like that. Ako ay dating app na sa Facebook eh. Isa ko wala na sa Facebook. Dating na, no? Oo, si Boom. So, why should I? Actually, I find a lot. For example, si Apple. It's just that it really needs a lot of time and a lot of revisions. Guys, certain publishing company mo or journals, they have certain format to follow. Right? If for example, sa atong researchers pinaibawan, dapat 1 inch, also na, 1 inch good ang kuan, no? And then 12 material. Others do not use that one. They may opt not to use the double spacing, or they just want it. Kaya nakita ninyo sa certain studies na compressed na kayo siya. Yeah, usually ang pages or ang paragraph kay graphic kagagmay na. Kaya ilang buwan na kay up until 11 pages. Ang ilang ka book, ilang ka page na research ko. Mga kausahay, na page. So, that's how also you do it. You have to ask an expert. And we also have a certain website in that one. AskAnExpert.com. Kung namin chat GPT, namin humanizer, namin chat PDF, namin join ka ng nakalimutan ko sa uban. Basta dagat ka mo kayo, namin tayo Ask an Expert sa education. So this is the face of the Ask an Expert. Right? So you're just ready to ask certain questions. You'll be creating your account, kung hindi mo nagkapapit, point ako. And then, they will answer you through videos, through text, or even through pictures. That's how nice it is. And then you can also add your favorite answers there. Similar with Quora. Sa pa, aside sa Quora, Wiki. Ask Wiki. Reddit, yes, Reddit. No, so, pwede na mo na, Wikipedia. O, ayun na sa traditional, natay Wikipedia. Sudokyo, pwede po na. Scriber, pwede po. So, there's really a lot. It's just that, agad siya class, wala pa kayo siya nakuha sa mga tao because daghan naman tayo ang pricing website. Wala, free siya. Wala kasagaran, ginagamit siya sa mga teachers or mga students. Actually, daghan tayo o mga pinagbabawan na technique in TTL2. TTL1 ako pinaka-favorite. Anyway, kaya ako malagibis ang Pilipino tanan. No, yeah. Ang TTL2 may integration naman sa mga ibawan ninyo. Kaya ang nakaproblema sa ito kay most of the tools that I have known are not yet introduced to you. You have known the name but we're not able to explore. Am I right? Again. So, that's why we're really trying our hard time, or I am really trying my best, doing my best to integrate all of these. Kaya some of the majors like Filipino, kaya ko na sa Filipino and English na yung TTL2. We have similar syllables. It's just that they're going to be used of Filipino language in their demonstration. Ang katawanan namin, pag-search na ko ang questions that kanyang mga question, for example, people utilizing blah blah blah. Nakita na ko mga lang sa Filipino English major dito. They posted it on YouTube. Yes. And I am trying to do that also. Like, I have given for day, a certain idea. So, base in finals, since we are only dealing with demonstrations and finals, hindi na ako mag-discuss. I am going to give you already the modules and study that one because all the important tools or all the important lessons I have already taught you. Tanan ako ni Bawal, ako nag-iarap ninyo. So, you study yourself. Now, what are we going to do or what are the expectations to happen during finals? You may use videos. Kaya ko katanan gikan sa attendance, technology integrated. Motivation, technology integrated. Wala ko'y makita na traditional. Yes. Even the way you're going to discuss, if you're going to present, for example, you're going to make use of literature as your springboard. Ganahan ko, you're going to make use of yourself as the character there. Like for example, the cartoon. Oh, you are yourself. Yes. That's really the essence of technology learning. But do not forget kasagaran kay we have already the mabul dapat kay technology integrated and as it is. Do not forget your lesson objectives as well. Not the learning outcomes. Kay kasagaran they're already very driven to the things being asked to us. Kaya to the point, makalimot na tayo education or teaching internship later on. Ang dili na yung tanong mo, kapag ang buong Miss Jelba. So let's make this job proud. Nandito na ba kung kayo yung video na ako? Nagkabili ko sa kanila na pag-video niya sa PTL na ako. So, ano story? So this is what will happen. For example, how to study. Ang dito ko para dito how to study. So, nag-aanapan naman to, kung kinsa yung ganahan na, pangutan ko, ganahan ba ka o lawyer, ang butang ani o ganahan na lawyer niya. Ako mag-complete dito, like professionals, no, yeah. Professionals, dati lang doctor, ang fun, yeah, ang napot ko gibutang dito, kanagawin mga luto-luto, at mga chef, luto, luto-luto, So, ako kita very technician na lang, how to study. Kapag gawas natin sa technician class, ang gawas ko, kung saan pag-ayaw na So, wala, be careful of what to ask, no? Because it is very, if you're going to pray mag-prompt ng God, one way siya direct to the point that you have to go. So, you ask what matters most. Okay? And then, round robin story. So, we also have these things. So, for example, if we wanted our class to be very interactive, when it comes to our literature class, really na dyan na malikayan ang motivation or engaging activity is supay-supay yung stories, right? So, we also have to use different platforms. So, like platforms to make ourselves visible, not only in the unconventional way of teaching. We have also to make use of conventional way of teaching. We may also opt to use these things. So for example, collaborative writing. O sana ka mga tool na mag-collaborate na dinaan. Google Docs, no? Para sa medyo traditional. Ito Google Docs. We can also make use of Canva. Diba? Pag kapag lang mo link sa Canva, all your members or group members can supplement already. Nag-aaral mo dito yung space. Okay. 5 kakuha ni mo ang ginitang maninimuha, 5 padakuha 5. Depende na nimo kung makuha ka ni mga slide po, hindi na ayaw buwan. That's how you collaborate. Again, we do not tolerate freeloaders. Ako yung leader, ako yung chapira, tsaka labot sa lista. Kasi ang pag mo, kailangan lista, kailangan. No? Call me the ash or call me weekend. Pero wala kang hindi pa ngayon ang effort. Diba? Ay, kung hindi, ikaw kung pinutog, after nagdako ako kay Bags, hindi mayo. But in reality, ikaw, lista na kung ano yan, hindi mo na siya lista. Wala, sinaya na ito ng gapita. So, we also have paragraph contributions. Ang sama ng mga tulong, contribute from paragraphs. What have you utilized so far? Kanang groupings. Google Docs, sa dyan mo? Mora John, very common. Good. You may also search this one, paragraph contributions. Kaya na makakuha mo, kaya kung saan na, nakuha yung Jamboard, o kano, pwede na Figma. Pero nakalisod ako sa Figma, kaya wala pa siya nakakuha ng maayo. Yeah. Na-add to siya Teachers class. At adding Teachers is very nice to use to do that because it is somewhat an interactive game. And then, you are going to write something. Are you familiar with Slido? Sana ko kita kuhanin nyo? Aside from Slido, dapat ay gitawag na class point. Paano class point? Kami, ano akong gamit ka? Sorry. Makakuhan ka, masuwat-suwat ka. Kani, o? Yung masuwat-suwat ka, last pointer, na-erase to the side. So this is class point. Para, kung ganahan mo gani mo pag-suwat-suwat nila, suwat mo nila. Kaya sa una, di ba, bukan ka pa. Ay, sa class ha, alin ko ipot-pan. Exit na sa, alin ko buwan. At ang kanya gani ko, you may integrate everything. So how you do it? You just download, and so on and so forth. So, kami siya ang class point. Kanya, this is the Slido. See? It makes our life easier. It's just upon us on how to make it and how to make use of it. Kung ganahan kag-exam, alago, maka-exam na dira sa pwede ka makakuha nito o short answer, multiple choice, word cloud, and so on and so forth. And even you may play videos there. It is somewhat like really a PowerPoint presentation, prepare with Canva. But in-present din mo siya kay sa una mag-good during the during our online classes, manikaw din na dili namin mag-sig shift, dili namin mag-out-tab. Okay, may tendency nga overloading man gani out. Bakit na tayo ang kasi makuha ng oras niyo? You're only, stricto ba yung kayo sa oras dito sa mga pag-teaching intern? If you are given 30 minutes to discuss, 30 minutes lagi na, kauban na na diha, motivation, integration, preliminaries, application, pa, even introduction sa assignment. Kaya kasagalan lagi sa ito, ma-ikat naman to sa assignment. So that's the practice that I want you to apply on yourself. So tagaan ba ni mo ang topic? See to it that everything has been titawagan na. Nabuka din ninyo na hansak din ninyo lahat. So, this is the last script class. Maaari mo ganahan mo pa-question or ganahan mo pa-poll. So, diba? See? So, it just depends. And then, you may also join. This is similar with Google Classroom, the code. Sinala, sa mentor ko mo, and so on and so forth. And so, aside from that, we also have small groups. Kung sa mga kasagaran ng kwarto, dito niyo ko kami small groups. Diba, Zoom, no? Kung meeting, ano ko sa Zoom, Google Classroom, Teams, Messenger. Ano, Teams?
Sa Microsoft.
Microsoft Teams, yes. Sige. Pwede na siya. So, actually, daghan mo dyan tayo, nakalimutan lang ko sa uwan. Kaya, this way class, we will talk about language ng board. Dapat tayo mga certain tools na detect sa to sa mistake. For example, enunciation, babasahon ka o certain paragraph. No? Dapat mabasahan yung research diri nag-talk about, hindi na to, natawag mo test o communicative ability. Basta, mo test o communicative ability sa bata daw, or readability. Nakakuha mo gila niyo, if you're going to talk about speeches, ikuha siya ninyo dapat, ang enunciation correct, the diction is correct, the spelling is right, and many more. No? So, there are some tools na check na niya. And that is very nice because iyan mo ibutang dito ka na makasa ka natin hindi overstress ka, pwede gawin ito sa mga call center agent. If you have tried that one, sa lahat training. Nasa sila yung mga speech tools na gamito. Nakalimot ko, pero kasagalan ang gamito kay Oray, Spico. Are you familiar? Wala? Or Speedo? Ako dapat na. So, benefits of email activities. Of course, it improves your communication and writing skills. But for example, when you did your researches, your research. Of course, itarap mo dito ng grammar, manisiwan, okay? Right. Hindi siya pa dito sa Google Docs kayo. Hindi na mo ganahan magtawag. Pero kami sana mag-ibong tawag ka na sa Messenger, chat ka na sa Google Docs, kapag Zoom. No? Inala kayo. Ang Zoom ganito, if you're trying to present things, no? Mag-collaborate yung maayo. Dapat may Viber. Kasi naman sa Viber. Wala na ba yung Skype? No? Pero ang Skype, ang revision pa tingali. So, pati gamitan sa una nakakuha na lang. Yahoo! Wala na Yahoo dito. Yahoo, pwede na tayo mo. Gmail na tanan. Right? Naka na before Yahoo. Naka na before Yahoo. Oo, ka na kay Ben. Nagkakadil tayo. Actually, nagkakadil tayo tools na magamit. Ang nakakuha lang, kung isa mo kayo trend sa buha, nato sige mo nagamit. Lumay na kayo si Kahoot. Diba? Lumay na kayo si Quizzes. Si Google Forms. Lumay na kayo sila. So, magkita na tayo yung way kung sa ano kung pag-inaw sa kong estudyante. At sa reading skills and comprehension. So, in that way, it allows us to strengthen our comprehension because we are immersed in a variety of write-ups and writings. And that, you can develop our ICT skills. So, this is my favorite one. Tinood class, kaso tayo mag-explore o tool, mag-search o ng bago. Pero if you're going to practice it, Dili siya gamiton sa base. Nga dili na mo maglito kung unsaon. For example, kung ay ka-game-based activity, kaya introduce ninyo word wall, no? Some of the teachers already use word wall on you. Naging mo na po sila, sunod na po sila, nagsasabi na po sila, nag-visualize na po sila. Siya po pa sa class, ginigigan ninyo magamit yan na sulatanan sa inyo ang classroom or yung teaching demonstration later on. So, it also gives us cultural exchange. Because then again, naman tayo tagsang originality when we're going to write. No? Aside from that, we're also going to understand why they have used certain format or why they're going to integrate certain words into this one. So that is also one of the essential things that we are going to have. And so we also have practical applications. So for example, apply language skills in practical scenarios and engage for activities by interacting many emails. So these are the things that we're able to emphasize or to enhance along the way as we are going to do our research. Aside from that, these are our key takeaways. Ano ka tayo nakatunan? How to use these tools in implementation and strengthening our communicative ability, writing ability, and many more. Dili sa pagsalubin kanang governing ikilbot kaya kayo sa mga inana kayo of course, no? It's there than that. Kaya naman tayo mga pinatawag na mga paraphraser, Turnitin. Are you familiar with Turnitin? So have you used that one in your researches? Yes. I have tried running through one research. Ito bitang nag-submit din ako. And ito pinuho, nag-deny, nag-tiin, 100 AI generated niya. One na siya. You have to buy it because Turnitin is very pricey. May gamitan na siya for sa mga scholars. Scholarly ba? Mga researchers ko. Yeah. Masagaran ang makagamit na kaana. One research ka, good for 7 days. Kaya isipin mo grant dito. Nakalimutan mo kailangan nila, if you have tried running it, ma-direct ka, kita na dito directly. Kung asa na dito dito ang website, unsa nga paraphrase yung igamit, unsa ka tapos din sa research, ang isa researcher. Tapos, even ang kanabitang acronyms, yan ang i-detect dito. I-detect na yung acronyms. Yan. So, dahil mo ko na. Sa similarity index, kadawaton, sa ubang isilangan, kay 1 yun, 10%. At sa CAU, pero ubang kadawat, 20% similarity index. Kanya, 15% AI generated. Hindi ba yung ginawali kayo no? Mga AI generated, kayo kaya natin on sa higher level how to structure the introduction, ChatGPT. No? Make it puro, brief, and in many paragraphs. Ano tayo? Side, butang pa dito, side certain studies. Make it APA format. Use formal language. Ako na rin, ito natin tayo mo. Hindi na sa ilan, hindi na sa ilan, ang nagigan na ana. Like, structure na daan, agoy. Kung magamay dito, taste delete, generate ko yan sa ilan. Diba? Yan ang talaga sa'yo ng hinabuti. Yeah, of course, you're going to learn that one also if you wanted to ponder your learnings and skills. So, mapastiral tanan, okay? Tanan naman nila, that's what I love learning class. That's the reason why I love learning because I keep learning every day. Imagine, karon sa ako last unit, ako nagtuo, ako nasundan unit mo. Ako makakasin principal o supervisor, delegate o private. Ako nito. So, ako nagpagpunit. But, the moment they're trying or they're going to discuss, to share their experiences, that's the moment I am also going to learn. And that's what I really love about. I love listening, I love learning so much. Nakakapili ang matulog sa. So that's really the challenge of us teachers. So we also have publication requirements. So that's teacher ninyo. Publication requirements in digital age, of course, we have to follow the copyright law. No, kadili na ma-publish yung study if you are not going to follow these areas. So, wala ginatawag class, maguna Nakakalit ko na copyright law. So, if pagkuhan kami mo, pagka-copyright law mo, visa, kung sa man na, mawagtang na na ang visa kung patay na ang author. Pwede na din ang kawaton. There are 50 years, diyan mo sa di magkawan 50 years, wala na. Wala makakawan 50 years. So, we also have the Anti-Bullying Act of 2013 in the Philippines. Why do you think it has been included in our curriculum? Simply because the advancement of technology is very thorough to the point that we tend to use it in a very bad way. Right? Gamitin natin siya sa pag-hack. Kasi yung hack? You try. Ikaw siya pero pagsasad ka. Yes, ako lang na bato kay kablock mo siya o pero madlaw. Dili magamit ang pro. I-try mo to. Ano lagi sobrang nakaka-curious, no? Kaya mo, try it na lang dito video. How to hack, blah, blah, blah. Tara mo video. Actually, gusto nyo na certain step. Kung sa diha, ako ang laptop ni shutdown siya. Tulong ka agad, open na siya kung bakit po may patindi ba? Kaya mo na kantuan mo. Kaya, magpanag to kayo. Kaya naglato working. Oo, working. Kaya ang pinaka-kuhan na virus sa to,
Alam.
So, that's one class. We have here the Anti-Bullying Act of 1930s in the Philippines because here in school, you are already very exposed to technology. So, dapat teachers, no, be careful on what you post online. Diba? Especially now, are we allowed to be very open and very vocal about sa labanan sa election? No, hindi na pwede. So we have to be very silent. Yun lang. We have to stand on what we really believe, but not to the point na itong nagpunta ng mga bata. Ano kita ang nagpunta niya? Interact sa tao. So that is very bad for us. Kaya, we teachers po, mag-wala dyan. As teachers, mag-wala dyan ka, mag-wala dyan ka. For example, sa una, gawin yung watcher. Watcher, ka go, watcher. Ito, ginoo ko pagkagawa sa lesisyon. Awal na. Sayang, ako'y doon na. Kuha na siya niya. O sana kapag ilang pwede mawala kay possible ka mag-away. Ikaw doon dito. Kapag ka. Ano man, makikipirmahan siya sa kapag-walay. So, in here, in Anti-Bullying Act, similar with that one, hindi gamitin ng social media to harass somebody. We also have cyberbullying in the digital age. So, teachers, be very mindful on commenting on the post online. Especially na kami pabasahan. Ay, huwag na! Hindi-good na lang sa iyo ang photo. Piyok na ba ito? Scroll up, scroll down. No? Skip ang kanang part. Actually, friends, no? Actually, siya ka-grammar police. To the point, kailangan i-paraphrase dito, taas yung comment section na erase siya, viral ka rin. Kung sa-activate o sa WhatsApp, lagi ang bashing. So, we also have your Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. So, anything that you may commit online may lead to cybercrime. Alright, or cyber libel. So, hindi siya pwede na inuha. So, these are the things that we need to remember. We have to respect the copyright laws. We have to follow the rules and regulations in it. We have also to promote digital citizenship. What's up with digital citizenship? Being a citizen who follows rules. Kaya na binutan ka, you use technology in the proper way. You have to know or you have to leverage the pros and cons of using it. And then you have to comply with cybercrime laws. And so, learn and implement, promote awareness, then follow the ethical environment. Did you follow the ethical considerations on your researches? Yes? Yes or no? Okay, that's a secret. So embrace the digital age, respond, simply be responsible. And that's the end of our lesson in etiology. So, expect that we're going to have a long quiz next week. Prepare a mobile data. See you around, everybody.
See you around and thank you, Miss
What will get your scores?
Sa tumaak dyan.
Let's go.